Using masters, you can customize and quickly format your entire presentation. In this lesson, you'll navigate Slide Master View, and you'll add and modify a picture. We want to add the QST company logo to every slide in our presentation, and when we're finished, it'll look like this. Rather than adding it to each slide individually, though, we just added it to the slide master. Masters contain information such as the position and size of text and content placeholders, background colors, effects, animations, and theme colors. The reason they're so powerful is that any change you make to a master is reflected throughout the presentation. Let's get started. In Step 1, with PowerPoint already running, I'll open the presentation PPT D-1. And then I'll save it as PPT D-QST. Now I'll click the View tab, and in Step 2, here in the Master Views group, I'll click the Slide Master button. Slide Master View opens, and this new Slide Master tab appears next to the Home tab. I'll scroll to the top of the Master Thumbnails pane, and then I'll click the Organic Slide Master thumbnail. Any design elements you place on this master will appear on all the slides in the presentation. These master text placeholders identify the font, style, color, and position of text placeholders. For example, the master title placeholder uses the Garamond font at a font size of 44 points. And remember, each theme comes with its own set of slide masters. This is just the slide master for the organic design theme. In Step 3, I'll point to these slide layouts. A screen tip identifies each one, and also lists any slides in the presentation that are using the layout. For instance, the To Content layout is used on slides 7 through 10 and slide 12. All these slide layouts use the general formatting of the slide master, so any changes made to the master, such as moving a graphic, are then reflected in these layouts. And of course, each slide layout can be modified independently. I'll click the Title and Content Layout thumbnail, which is used on slides 2 through 6, as well as on slide 13. As you can see, this layout uses a different background than the slide master. We want to add our company logo here so that it appears on all the slides. So in Step 4, I'll click the Organic Slide Master thumbnail once again. Then I'll click the Insert tab. And in the Images group, I'll click the Pictures button. The Insert Picture dialog box opens, and in Step 5, I'll locate and select the file PPT D-2. I'll click Insert, and the QST logo appears on the slide master. But the graphic is too large, so in Step 6, I'll go up to the Size group, I'll click in the Shape Width text box, I'll type 0.50, and I'll press Enter. And with the size of the logo reduced, I'll now drag it to the upper left corner of the slide. And it snaps into place. I'll click a blank area, and if you look closely at the slide layouts, you can see that the logo now appears in the upper left corner of each one. In Step 7, here in the Edit Master group, I'll click the Preserve button. Preserving the selected master assures that it remains with this presentation even if you eventually use another master. And you'll notice this small pushpin icon has been added to the master's thumbnail. In Step 8, to exit Master View, I'll go down to the status bar, and I'll click the Normal button. Finally, I'll save our changes. To try these steps yourself, and for some helpful tips, and for information on using Slide Master View to create custom slide layouts, turn to page PowerPoint 74 in your book.